Okay, well, once again to do a bit of magnet fishing. So no ruins today, although I am actually in a bit going to go and look at a few ruins, but I'll put on a little video, little vlog or something. It's not worthy of a proper full blown video because it's only just a few bits of ruins, and but I'll show you that in a separate video after this one, so keep an eye on the channel. So I'm actually out again with Her Highness. You can probably see her down there. So here we are. We've actually in Polesworth, on the edge of Polesworth. There's a marina up there. There's actually a pub which me and Ravengirl will probably go in later. She probably want to do a live, so I suppose I better let her do it. She wants to drink as well. You can tell she's getting to 15, can't you? Anyway, okay, so we're going to try here and away from the bridge. Ravengirl's over there, so I ain't going to say it. Come on then. Okay, here we go. And before I start, I just want to say this magnet, which is one of the best out there, always is, 200 kg pull, double-sided, courtesy of Online Magnets. Yeah, go and check them out. Links below in the description. Yeah, brilliant. And I ain't just saying that. I'll tell you the honest truth. These are brilliant. Love them. Don't need any more powerful than that. Unless you want to try and pull out a car or a tractor or something, but no, spot on these are. Just get one of these, double-sided, 200 kg pull from Online Magnets, the best one. So, come on then! I think we might do well to get anything because we've got all this metal down here. Somebody's been here already. I'll just show you quickly before we start. There's a whole load of metal down here, so I'm a bit gutted. As you can see, somebody's been here before us. So, I'm not sure we're going to do any good or not really, so we'll see. I've got a few leaves and a bit of metal was attached to that. Just a little bit of a tiny metal rod there. So there you go, first find of the day. Yeah, this is enough to get the safe with. Hey. So I've got a metal ring, a metal ring of some sort. You can see that in the bucket, and we've got, look at this, a lump of rock. Or is it a meteorite? You see that? So, it's a start. leaves, more rocks. So have I. Our junk's better than yours. Oh dear. So we've got, looks like a great big bolt. You can see that. It's quite heavy actually. Went in my mouth, that one. Oh, there you go, bit of a bolt. In fact, it looks similar to what's been, well, sort of similar to what's been pulled out and left down here. Ours goes in the bucket. So I've just been talking to that chap, and he says that people have been along here a couple of weeks ago and pulled out all sorts, lawnmowers, scooter. So I don't know if we're going to do any good or not really. But hey, I've already started, I've got a few bits. Carry on. And a load more leaves. Captured by a piece of metal there. A little metal bar, I think. There we go, I got a metal bar this time, so I get a few bits out. It's clearing the canal. What are you saying over there? Okay. This time, this great big thing here. I tell you what, there's some weight to this, you know, and this magnet is superb. Look at that. Hey, ain't doing too bad. Bit of rock. Ah, she's coming close to me now. Yeah. Are you done under the bridge? Oh, you're joking. Okay, I've moved along a bit, so we'll try this bit now over here. And there's a couple coming with a dog as well.
Nothing is untrue, nothing don't matter. It's all notions of our emotions, of everything we are and what we belong to, how we reach our destination. Shadows fading light. We're caught in burning fire, almost falling from the sky. And the sun may tear the wings of us like Icarus. We fly, fly with courage and bravado, fly
we've got another big piece of metal with loads of leaves all over it. That looks like it's, I don't know, it's like it's an arm or something off something. I don't know, probably a car part or something, I ain't got a clue. Don't think it's off a bike, but it might be. It's hard to say, but there you go. And that to me looks like, you can see it enough, looks like a carabiner. What we used to attach the rope to things. That's quite funny. So, now I've got this. Oh, soft magnet. As you can see, that's like a handlebar grip to me from a push bike. And that looks like the part of the handlebar. I'll tell you what, the shape of that reminds me of the old is it chopper bike? Push bike back in the 70s, showing me age now. I think it was called the chopper. And they had really tall handlebars, just like that. So it wouldn't surprise me if that's what that's off, but obviously it's broke off. Look at the size of that. Oh yes. It's kind of rude. But that's pretty yeah. Ugh. Are you impressed? Very heavy, that one. I'm going to wind up Ravengirl now. I need a better bucket now for all this stuff I keep getting.
What, all your metal rub? I don't agree with you on that one.
Okay, I'm going to call it a day. We've done a fair bit of magnet fishing and I've actually managed to get a few items out today. Nothing really mega interesting, but we've pulled out a few things, so I'm quite happy about that. It's helping to clear up the canals, so and it's been fun. So off to look at the ruins. So don't forget, check out my videos, my other videos for exploration. I've got a good one coming up. It's going to be a big castle, so it might be a two-parter because there's another part to it as well. Plus there's an ancient church nearby as well in the same town, so yes, check that out. It's coming soon. Just waiting for the weather to get better because we're going to use the drone for that. So but yeah, keep watching. If you ain't already, subscribe, give us a like or dislike if you want. It's all interaction. Really appreciate it either way, and yeah, I'll see you all soon. So see you later. Ta-da for now.